guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Mehak and in today's video, I'll be showing you how I did this eye look. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. The palette I'll be using for this look is Rich in Life palette by Patricia Bright. First, starting with this fluffy blending brush, I'm going to apply the shade called Biggest Fan in my crease. Taking the pencil brush, I'm going to apply this medium brown shade to deepen up the crease. Now, using this flat brush, I'm going to apply dark brown shade to deepen up the crease even more. Blending everything out using the brush I used in the beginning. Doing the cut crease using concealer. Sharpening up the line using brown eyeshadow. Now taking black shade on a small flat brush, I'm going to create the outline and fill it in. And applying cocoa shade in the inner corner. Using the concealer, I'm going to sharpen up the line and apply half eyeliner as well. Applying this gold shade on top of the concealer. Applying the combo of brown sugar and irresistible on the lower lash line. And that completes the look. Hope you liked today's video, and if you did, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.